Hey everybody, I hope you're having a terrific day or evening whenever you're watching this video. Today I'm just sharing some stuff that I picked up a couple weeks ago from Dollar General, and I'll have another haul coming up soon because I was just there. So let's get started on what I got. So they did have the Tide 69 full ounces. Now I like getting this one because every once in a while our coupon, if you shop at Dollar General, you know how they have spend 25 get $5 off. Our coupon, that coupon where I live, is only good on Saturday. Now I have heard of other people, other channels using it between Friday and Sunday. We only have one day here, so it's kind of like everybody's at the store that day. So, and I haven't seen a good coupon on this for a while, but I did get this for $3 off. This was a terrific deal for that price for the 69 ounces. So I did pick one of these up, and then I needed a new meat thermometer. So I grabbed one of these, and what I found kind of weird was one store had it for like 50 cents cheaper than another store. I'll show you because I had to go to a different store to get the last thing I wanted. But it does, the top of it's pretty nice size, larger, easy to read. Not that I have a hard time reading. My house is just darker. And then what I was looking for, and this was just off the spend 25, get $5 off. So what I was looking for, I need to start using, are these pans. I got these for, this one for $6.75. It is a 9 by 9 by 12. It's a, oh, it says it's pre-seasoned. Okay. So here's the first one. I don't know. I'm kind of iffy. Will a piece of bacon fit in there? I was kind of hoping it would be like a flat pan, but I do like how it's a little bit raised so the grease goes under the food. So that was a nice find for $6.75. I apologize, I don't remember what the regular price was. I want to say they were $15 or $16.95 actually. And I did buy one other thing, which brought me to my $25. So I got my $5 off. And they have a coupon going on for this month. What is it? Spend 20, get 21. No, spend 21, get 20 or something like that. Basically what you do, you spend $25 before tax 3 times, I believe, at Dollar General. And after the 3rd shopping trip, you'll receive $20 back. So the store knew nothing about it where I got these pans at. So I had to kind of look around. But I did get another cast iron skillet. This is 10.04 in diameter. So I did pick this one up. And again, this one, same thing. $6.75 for a pan. So I did get both of these. And I figured, you know what, if I don't use them soon, I can take them back. But I'm thinking this is a great size for, I really don't like to do like a lot of cornbread and stuff like that. But this might be a good pan to make it in. So that is, okay, I'm going to stop with the bags. I know my phone is very sensitive to the noise of the bags. So that is what I picked up from Dollar General. And like I said, that was my 5 for $25. I do see another, nope, that's what I emptied out for the pans. So tell me, have you guys shopped at Dollar General? Do you do their weekly ad thing? Does your coupon work Friday through Sunday? Or is it just on Saturday like at our stores? That kind of thing. Or do you penny shop? Leave it in the comments. I'm just kind of interested to know like how many people do this. I think it's a pretty good deal. This is how I stock up on some of my necessities like laundry detergent and paper products. So leave it in the comments, and as usual, I look forward to reading your comments, and hopefully other people read them also. But until then, you'll have a terrific day or evening whenever you're watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Y'all have a great day.